Ben here from Mariner Media, and in this video I just want to go through the domain verification. I know there's been a lot of warning messages and that popping up in everyone's accounts, and everyone's kind of starting to freak out a little bit about, what does it mean to verify a domain? What kind of things do I need to do to prepare for the Apple changes? Before we start, I just want to ask you to smack that like button. Really, really helps us out. And then we'll get into it. So basically, verifying a domain is just a really, really simple case of copy and paste, but you just need to know where to put the code. So I'm in my events manager at the moment, and obviously you've got, important changes of web events. You need to verify domain. So the way that you verify a domain is any one you've got a pixel on. You can either go to business settings and domains, so brand safety and domains, or if you are in the events manager, you can always just come to here, aggregated events measurement, and then click configure web events, and that will then just redirect you to all your different domains. And then if you've got any that aren't verified, you can click verify domain, and then what it will do, I'll click on one that I've already done. Oh no, hold on. So what it will do is bring up this. So you click there, and it will bring up the code that you need to verify the domain. So say, for example, so this is the one that I use regularly. Oh, sorry. Yeah, so this is the verification. So basically what we'll do, so you'll get this kind of screen. Obviously, these ones have already been verified. You can't see it, but basically this will come up, and then all you do is copy this. You copy this to clipboard. It's a TXT record. You don't need to know what TXT records are. All you need to know is where to paste them. So whoever you registered your domain with, so whether that was, fast hosts, smart host, GoDaddy, all that kind of stuff, doesn't matter who you register your domain with. You just need to log into your dashboard. So I've logged into my dashboard here, which is my fast host dashboard, and I'm going to come down to domains. And basically the place where you set all this stuff up and the place where you put all your records in is called your DNS settings. So whenever you click domains, you'll see your domains here, and there'll be a little button that either says DNS, or up the top there'll be a tab that says DNS. You just click DNS, and then come down here, and then you'll have all these different types of records, and you'll try and find the TXT records. So TXT, obviously I've already done the verification there, but all you do is add a TXT record, and then you could put in this field here, you normally put the @ symbol. So you normally just do this, do @, and then in here is where you paste your code. So your verification code that you've copied and pasted. So that would then just go in there. Oh no, that's the wrong one. I didn't copy it, but then that's where you paste your verification code that's here, the one that is just there, and then you save your settings. And then you might be a save button at the bottom. Yeah, so you just save that, and then you come out of your DNS settings, go back to your business settings over here, and then just click verify. And once you click verify, Facebook will then scan your website, make sure that obviously you have access to that domain, and it kind of proves that you have access to that domain and you own it because you can log into your account. And then Facebook will say, okay, that's approved. And once that's approved, you can then go to any of your domains. Sorry, let's go back to Events Manager. Yeah, and then once it's verified, you can click on anyone. This is one that I use regularly. So, and then you can go Manage Events. And once it's verified, you go Manage Events, and then you can tell Facebook, because now that Apple are putting in the changes, you're only allowed to have up to 8 different events. So you just have to add them in here. So if you want to use, say, a purchase, you add to cart, and then you order them in order of importance. So obviously purchase is always going to be the most important one, and there's add to cart, and you check out. And you can have up to 8. And if you just tell Facebook what the actual priority order is, I won't go too far into it, but with, say, the purchase, if someone opts out with the new Apple features, then Facebook can still track one particular event, and purchase is normally ones you want to track. So that's why you rank it from highest to lowest priority. But yeah, so you can set up to 8 events in here. So then that will help you get past the Apple changes when they come in. You'll be ready for it. Domain is verified, and Facebook also know what you're optimizing for, and you've got your events set too. So that's it really. So all you got to do is verify domain, and then come into here. Make sure you set up which pixel you're using for that website, and then which events you want to use and which ones you want to carry on using. And then just down here, you just click save. And that's it. You can have up to 8. and that's how you get ready for the new iOS 14 changes. So I hope that's helpful. Before you go, in the description, there's loads of links to free resources. We have the Facebook ad show every day. We also have like online training courses, and then we've also got our YouTube channel, Facebook group as well, for anyone who needs their questions answered. So links are below, and I hope to see you guys in the next video.